Let's jump back to the phone calls now and head over to Odenville. That's where we find Gracie this evening. She's been waiting patiently for us tonight. Gracie, you're on Law Call. What's your question this evening?
Oh, goodness. Yes, sir. I paid a bill off in October, or I was supposed to. Well, we got a call that we need to pay $500 more. Well, we got too bright on the internet, so we paid it and found out that was false. But they had all our information and everything.
Okay.
So now they're saying we owe $77 more. And I have got a statement for $936 that we paid the bill off back in October.
So just to be clear, Gracie, this is somebody that you hired to do a job?
No, it's a debt
A debt collector.
a bill I owe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Thank you very much for that clarity. All right, guys.
So, Gloria, that is in the wheelhouse, isn't it? That is something y'all might be able to help with.
Yes, yes. So
Talk to us about the how you can help people if they're in some kind of debt collection problem or process, and maybe y'all can help them even avoid bankruptcy potentially.
yes, so that is one of the things we can help with. Going through our intake process, if you qualify for our services, what we would do is match you up with a volunteer lawyer. This is usually done through what we call a help desk. So a lawyer will agree to talk to one or two clients during a 2 to 4 hour time period. We would set up an appointment for you with our volunteer lawyer. They would call you and talk through your problem. They would have your information in advance, and they could advise you on how to proceed with that case.
And Gloria, sometimes they full on go into representation, don't they? I mean, I know folks at our firm have taken up cases for people.
Indeed they do, yes. There are lots of people who need help, and as you know, once you hear someone's story, it is really hard not to want to do as much as you can.
It is.
If an attorney does take on a case, volunteer, do they typically, if the case is judged and then maybe there's something in the appellate process, do they handle that as well, or how does that typically work?
Generally, no. We try to have a limit, an end point, so our volunteers know what they're signing up for and how much time they're expected to give.
Very good. All right.